Hello everyone, welcome to the video on anti-corona pills. See, recently FDA, Food and Drug Administration of USA, has approved two of the drugs which can be used to treat corona disease, and these drugs can be taken orally. See, till now what are the drugs which are available to treat corona, they can be taken through intravenous route like remdesivir or antibody cocktails, but these drugs can be taken orally, and these are first of this kind of drugs which are used to treat corona disease. In this video I'm going to explain about these two drugs, and this is my YouTube channel. If you like the video content, do subscribe and share. Let's get into the topic. Now, Food and Drug Administration authorizes Pfizer and Merck COVID-19 pills. Now, FDA is related to United States of America, and it has given approval to use two of the pills to treat COVID-19. Now, the process is called as emergency use authorization. Now, understand this one. Usually, it takes at least 12 to 15 years for the drugs to get into the market. But during emergency times like this corona pandemic, the drug approval process is speed up. Like this approval is given only in 1 to 2 years, and this process is called as emergency use authorization. When you get into the details, the Pfizer COVID-19 pill nearly 90% effective at preventing hospitalization and death in corona patients. This is a very good number, 90%. Whereas when it comes to the Merck drug is called as molnupiravir. It has got 50% efficacy. Unfortunately, the recent study shows it has come down to 30% efficacy. Both of them are approved, but in both of these, the Pfizer pill is more effective. You can see it reduces the hospitalization and death by 90%, which is a very good number. Getting into the more details. Now, the Pfizer drug, the brand name is known as Paxlovid. Now, it contains two of the pills, nirmatrelvir and ritonavir. The combination is called as Paxlovid. This anti-COVID pill is named as Paxlovid. Now, it is available only by prescription according to FDA. Now, it is given in the combination as 3 tablets. So, this is how it looks. You can see this. Out of these 3, the pink colored one are known as nirmatrelvir, whereas the other one is ritonavir. So as such, it is given as 3 tablets. 2 of the nirmatrelvir tablets and 1 is ritonavir tablet. Now every day it has to be taken 2 times. Morning 3 tablets, whereas in the evening 3 tablets. Like this, the course goes on for 5 days. So totally 30 pills to be taken at home over 5 days. See, the major advantage of these oral pills is you can take it at home. You don't need to visit any hospital. Just pop it. Now, who can take Paxlovid? Now, see, this is used for the treatment of mild to moderate coronavirus diseases. Understand this one. It is not for severe cases. It is for only mild to moderate. And who can take? Adults as well as children 12 years and older, who are weighing around 88 pounds, means 40 kilos. So children who are more than 12 years age with 40 kilos can take it, and adults can take these pills. Now, when to take Paxlovid? See, according to FDA, as soon as the diagnostic test confirms COVID, it has to be taken, and it has to be taken within 5 days of symptoms onset. As soon as people find they have COVID, they should start taking these tablets. Now, any potential side effects? The major side effects are impaired sense of taste. So the taste alteration will be there, mild diarrhea, increased blood pressure, and muscle pains will be there. All these are tolerable, so it's not a big problem. Excuse me. Now, when you see the mechanism, how it acts, mechanism action, how the drug acts, let us understand the basic physiology of this coronavirus. The coronavirus, it gets into the human cell, it releases its RNA, the RNA produces proteins, proteins are activated and causes multiplication of coronavirus. Now, the activation of protein occurs with the help of this protease enzyme, and this protease enzyme is inhibited by this Paxlovid drug. Now, we have already seen Paxlovid contains 2 combinations. It contains nirmatrelvir and ritonavir. The job of this nirmatrelvir is it will inhibit this protease enzyme. Ritonavir is popularly used to treat HIV disease. Now, the job of this ritonavir in this combination is it reduces the breakdown of nirmatrelvir or metabolism of nirmatrelvir. So what happens with this? The duration of action of nirmatrelvir increases. So the job of ritonavir is to only increase the duration of action of nirmatrelvir by reducing its breakdown. So this is how it acts. So these are the details about Paxlovid. Let us see about the Merck's pill. See, the Merck's pill, it is also used to treat mild to moderate COVID-19 who tested positive for COVID disease. And again, see, we have already seen the efficacy is only 30%, which is of low side. Now, dosage and administration, it is taken 4 capsules a day. Each capsule 200 mg of molnupiravir, and totally put together per day it becomes 800 mg. It has to be taken orally for every 12 hours for 5 days. Remember, both the drugs, the Pfizer one and Merck one, they will be given for 5 days. Now, what are the adverse effects? The most common adverse effects are diarrhea, nausea and dizziness. Nausea means a feeling of vomiting. Dizziness means a kind of mental lethargy. So these are all the adverse effects. Now, how it acts, when you see the mechanism of action of molnupiravir, now see, the COVID virus has got RNA. The RNA multiplies with the help of an enzyme called RNA dependent RNA polymerase. This enzyme is essential for virus multiplication, and this molnupiravir drug inhibits this enzyme. When this enzyme is inhibited, RNA multiplication will not occur and virus cannot multiply. This is how molnupiravir acts. So both the drugs can be taken orally. Both of them will be inhibiting or reducing the multiplication of COVID virus. This is how they will act. Now, what is there for India? Are Indian companies manufacturing Pfizer antiviral drug? Now, this is, see, the drug is approved by FDA and it will be available in USA, not in India. What about India scenario? So yes, several Indian drug manufacturers are already planning to manufacture the generic version of Paxlovid, the Pfizer drugs. Especially the companies like Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Optimus Pharma are exploring the possibility to manufacture the COVID-19 pill. So sooner or later we're going to get excuse me. Sooner or later we're going to get this Pfizer oral pill for corona. So thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, do subscribe and share.